3 lies that men usually say on the first date. The first date is very important, especially if you like the person you will go out with a lot, because depending on the impression that you cause on each other, it will happen the second meeting. For this reason, and in order to continue knowing more about that special being that has captivated him, sometimes men often say some lies, and next, we will tell you some of them. 1. Increase or decrease their age. If the person you are dating is older than you, he will take off a few years to avoid you being scared. So, if that happens to you, do not get mad, think that he does it for a good cause. 2. Invent stories about their past relationships. No man will tell you on the first date if he was unfaithful or if he was harmed unless he is sure that things are serious. 3. They do not usually tell the truth about their work. Sometimes, in order to impress their future partner, some guys do not usually tell the truth about their work. Source: https://peru.com. To learn more about 3 lies that men usually say on the first date, download my book free by clicking the book image on the right or the link in the description below, and please subscribe to this channel and share this video.